Hello, everybody. I welcome you to my importation class. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to another interesting segment of my importation class. In today's class, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can use 1688 app to shop on 1688. Like how you can translate from Chinese to English language, and how you can type search using the app, how you can know genuine product, and how you can know a real supplier using the app, and how you negotiate with the supplier for a price reduction or discount using the app. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step. All you have to do is to watch this video and understand every step I take in this video. And if you have any further question as far as the practical class is concerned, you can still reach me via the phone number on this screen. So I'll be able to respond to whatever question you have for me, right? So without wasting much of our time, so let's go straight to the app. I believe everyone has been successfully installed the app on your phone. So you have to click on the app. So you click on it, it's going to load like this, 1688.com. Right, so having get to this point, this is how it's going to look like. Everything is going to be in a Chinese language, and in one way or the other, if you are not a Chinese man, finding it difficult to use this application. But with the assistance of a translator app, so I'm going to translate this all this Chinese language to English language right now. So just follow me the step, and I'm going to choose global translation, set permission, and I'm going to turn on the high dictionary and click on OK. So I'll go back now and go back. Now I'll have to select my app again, global translation. So you just watch the miracle. All the text you are seeing as Chinese here will automatically converted into English within a minute. So you can see right here. Now, this is how you can translate, right? Now, let's see how you can type search using this app. For instance, if you want to purchase, so this is, you can see where they wrote winner, inner. This is where you type search. You click on there. So when you click on there, you will start to make a type. So now let's say I'm going to search for, let me search for Android phone, Android. So let me search for Android phones. Okay. So everything about Android phones is going to load, such as charger, cable. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So let me go back to search engine at the top. So let's say Android, or let's say electronics. So everything about electronics is going to load. Look at it. So these are electronics mosquito killer. So let's say, for instance, I need to buy this type of electronics mosquito killer at the rate of 19.90 yuan. All you have to do is to click on the name of the product. When you click on the name of the product, it's going to load. So you can see it here. So now this product simply means that if you are buying two pieces of this product, you are paying 19.90 yuan. But if you are buying more than 10, you are paying 16 yuan. If you are buying up to 200, you are paying 14 yuan. This is how the discounts goes and that. Now, some of the information here that one needs to take note when you are using this app is, you can see some other information here as much important, but they wrote them in Chinese. So all you have to do is to translate them. So I'm going to translate the sentence here. So this is the product information. So I'm going to translate what we have here in English. So this is the This is the shipping company, and I'm going to translate also. So this is the delivery 8 yuan, and this one here. So now the company name, this is the manufacturer name, so you can see the name. So how long the manufacturer have been sell on this platform, you will get it here. So they have been on this platform for about 3 years ago. Okay, now for this product we choose here, do we have any review for this product? So there is no any review for this product. So this kind of products, I will never advise you to buy from any sellers that has no product review. It's very much risk. So we can go back and continue our search. So let's go back to the search bar and let me look for shoes. Let me say, let's look for clothes. So clothing, clothes girls, clothes guys. Okay, let's just clothes woman. Okay, so these are variety of clothes. You can see them. This is basically women clothes. You can see them. A lot. Okay. So you can narrow your search. You can select gym women, bed women, this and that. So those are the similar keywords that you can also navigate with. So pregnancy, dress, maternity. So let me select this and let's see the product information. Okay. So this product has a review. So let me translate this point here. 38 days to credit. Let's see the manufacturer name. So then how long they have been in the service? Let's see. 1 year. All right. So now let's check the product's detail. Okay. So these are the product graphics. Okay. So all these things, you need to check them very well. You need to check them properly. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to chat with the supplier here. You want to know, you want this supplier to send you the picture of this product right from the factory. What you have to do is to come down below here. You see this blue icon. Just click on this blue icon, and a chat box is going to open. So here you make your type, right? So now, for instance, you want to chat to this supplier, and you know this supplier here, they are not a native English speaker, so they are Chinese. All you have to do is to go to your Google Translate. So when you get to Google Translate, you need to change from Chinese, let's say English, then here to Chinese simplifier. Okay, now I will make a type now. Say, hello, can you please send me unedited pictures of this product? Okay, put question mark. Now you click on here. Now this is the Chinese language you are going to copy. So you click on copy, then you go back to the hub 1688, press down here and click on paste. Then you send it to the supplier, right? So what this simply means here is send a message. But I'm just showing you guys how you talk to suppliers and how you navigate with the app. So I'm not going to send this message because I'm not ready to purchase these particular items here. So let's go back and continue working with app.